Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Infiniti Q50 key fob. First, gather your Autel MaxiIM IM tool and all key fobs. Ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. We will then connect the Diagnostic tool to the car's OBD-ROMAN2 port. Following the on-screen instructions carefully is crucial for successful programming. This process ensures your new key fob functions correctly with your vehicle, providing seamless access and security. To begin, you absolutely need an Autel MaxiIM IM series key programming tool, such as the IM508 or IM608. These specialized devices are essential for communicating with your Infiniti Q50's immobilizer system. Before connecting anything, make sure your car's battery is fully charged to prevent any power interruptions during programming. Also, gather every key fob you intend to use, both old and new, as they will all need to be programmed simultaneously. With your Autel tool, connect it to the OBD-ROMAN2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Navigate through the Tools menu to select your Infiniti Q50 model and the key programming function. The device will guide you with on-screen prompts, which may include turning the ignition on and off, pressing the start button, or placing fobs near the button. Carefully follow each step to ensure all keys are learned correctly. Once finished, test every key fob to confirm all functions work. If you encounter issues, first recheck all cable connections to the Autel tool and the vehicle. Sometimes a loose connection can prevent successful programming. Refer to your Autel device's specific user manual for detailed troubleshooting steps related to any error codes you might see. Remember, patience is key when working with vehicle electronics. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.